Good morning to everyone. So I will visit elephants. I will feed 3 elephants today to see elephants. If I will stay in 1 hour, the price is 900 baht for feed 3 elephants.
Okay, should you have a seat first? They will call you at there 2 p.m.
Sure, I will sit now.
Yeah.
I
Anyway.
wait. Okay, I'm gonna go to 2 p.m. I will wait here. They will call me to go to elephants. We will just say
Everyone, orange man, 2 p.m. please.
We are going to a huge elephants.
Wash your hands. Everyone, wash your hands first.
Safety for everybody. Okay? Don't go behind them because it's the blind spot. When you give them food, just give them with confidence. Don't play, don't tease the food. What happens if you play? They play back. If they play hard. You fly like a bird, okay? So don't play. Have confidence, feed them, okay? All good, everybody? No picking up the food, no teasing, no screaming, no making sound, okay? Take a look here, like this. See, they just grab it. Yummy, yummy. Okay? See, she wants more. You can give 2, 3, 1, up to you. Ready? See, like this. Enjoy. You can fill up. Grab the basket, fill it up. Just don't go that side.
Banana. Very small, very small. The banana is yours?
Oh. So I'm going to feed elephants now with bananas. and soup. What type of it?
You hear the noise from the other elephant.
Spend time in the water.
You get here one more bananas after we finish. You get one more bananas to fill baskets. Yeah.
It's a different program.
Okay. I'm confused.
It's a shower program.
Yeah.
You see the green color?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's feed one more. Oh. I enjoy it feeding elephants. Very good. Okay, so now I'm going to see monkeys. The location is Monkey High Viewpoint. near to city center at Phuket Old Town. I'm going to see monkeys first time in my life and elephants too.